Hey everybody, Chef Isabella here with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition, sharing more meal inspirations. Here's our menu for Tuesday, June 30th, as well as Friday, July 3rd distribution, including all of the extra special items that we're including for the holiday. As always, we include our take and bake heating instructions that let you know the easiest way to prepare all of the items included in your bundle. If you wanted to get creative, we have a recipe for chocolate milk, brown sugar glazed carrots, as well as how to cut a kiwi. So we're going to start with the chocolate milk. Here we have our milk, chocolate, a cup, a straw, and a tablespoon. We're going to start by pouring 8 ounces of milk into our cup. And next, we're going to add 1 tablespoon plus a tiny bit extra of our Hershey's chocolate syrup, and then we're going to stir it really well. Looks super delish. Alright, next we're going to move on to our brown sugar glazed carrots. We're going to start by putting all of our carrots into a pot of boiling water. Stir those and let them cook until they're fork tender. Alright, go ahead and get those drained. We'll return our empty pot. We're going to put some butter in the pan and allow that to melt. Then we're going to add our brown sugar, salt, give that a stir, and now we're going to add some orange juice. And allow that to cook down until the liquid has reduced by half. Alright, we're going to return our drained carrots to the pan, give those a good stir, and let them cook until the liquid has completely reduced, and here we have our brown sugar glazed carrots. And now on to how to peel a kiwi. We're going to start with our root and our stem, turn it on its side, slice both of those off. Then we're going to take our spoon along the edge of the kiwi and insert it underneath the skin until it comes out the bottom, and then we're just going to rotate until we've loosened that entire skin. Voila! Now we're going to cut it into slices, but be super careful because it's slippery. And there you have it, sliced kiwi. Here are the recipes for the items that we have shared with you today, as well as a few ways that you can customize to use these ingredients. And as always, we look forward to seeing your meal inspirations when you share them with us on our social media. We look forward to posting your pictures.